Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Folaye. Today's tutorial will be on how to cut a 4 pieces skirt. Before we get started, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do that now. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe. Also turn on the post notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. So I'll be making use of this African print fabric for the 4 pieces skirt I'll be cutting, and I'll be cutting the front pieces first. I have this fabric folded into two in like manner. This is the right side and this is the wrong side. So I've done some markings on this fabric which I will explain. So from this is my starting line. As you can see, this line here is my starting line. Now from this starting line to this point is my elastic casing. This skirt is going to have elastic. If you are making yours without an elastic, then you wouldn't need this elastic casing. Or if you want to put a band, then you will just remove the height of the band you want to put right here. If it is 2 inches or 1.5, that means you just remove it from the length of your skirt. Now, taking my measurement from this point, I will not take it from the elastic casing. From this point down here, that is my hip line. So this is the hip line. Going downward, we have the knee line. That is just about 1 inch above the knee. And then I have the length of the skirt right here, inclusive of allowance to fold it at the hem. So now going over to our measurements. So the first thing I will do is to measure 6 inches from this point in this manner. 6 inches. I'll measure it downward to the hem. That's first. So guys, I've ruled the 6 inches I measured towards me in like manner. So the next thing I will do now is to insert my horizontal measurement. First, I will start with the hip measurement. Now, while I'm using the hip measurement for the waist area, is because it's going to be an elastic skirt. If you are using a band or your zipper, then you will insert your waist measurement on your waistline. Do you get it now? But because I'm using elastic, the elastic will form the waist measurement for me. So I'll be inserting my hip measurement here. Quarter of the hip measurement I'm working with is 10.5 inches. 10.5 inches plus 1 inch side seam allowance. That will give me 11.5 inches, which is what I have here. 11.5 inches is what I have right here. I will also measure that on the hip line. 11.5 inches. Then on the knee line, I'll just make it 11 inches. I'll come in by ½ inch. If you want it more tapered, then you can remove 1 inch or 1.5 inches. But I'll just come in by ½ inch in like manner. And from there, I'll connect it to the hem. So what I'll do now is to connect it. Can you see it? Now this will be for the side. Now coming over to the center front. So for the center front, I will add half-inch allowance to join both sides together, half-inch or 3/4 inch. Let me just do 3/4 inch, like so. Up to the knee area. Then I will also connect it to this point. So this will be the seam allowance to join both sides together. Can you see it? Okay. Now our front pattern is ready. So this will be for the two front patterns. Can you see it like so? So after you measure 6 inches or 7 inches right here, you can add between 5 to 6 inches to your side seam here, just to give it a full flare towards the hem. And if you want it fuller than this, then you add about 8 inches. Depends on what you want. So I'll cut it out now and use this to cut the back pieces. So guys, these are the two pieces for the front. Can you see it right here? So this is the side, while this is the center front. So I'll just mark it so I will know that. Then I'll just place this on another fold to cut the back pieces. So guys, I folded the fabric for the back pieces. I'll just place my front pieces on it like so. So guys, I've placed the front pieces on the folded fabric for the back pieces. Now at this point, if you're adding zipper to your back piece, you just add your zipper at the center back here. This will be your center back. You add your zipper allowance to the center back like so, and then you join it to the hem. But since there won't be zipper here, I'll just use this to cut it straight away, which I will do right now. So guys, I'll just indicate this is the front piece, while this is the back piece. This is the side back, while this is the center back. This C stands for center. Now, another thing you should notice, if you are joining these to your bodies, maybe you want to make a gown, you are joining to your bodies, you know that you will use your exact waist measurements around there to fit what you have cut for your or measured for your upper bodies. So the next thing I'll do is to join them together. First, I'll join the center front to the hem. Then I'll join the center back as well and put them together and join the sides together. And our 4-piece skirt is ready. So guys, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. Kindly give this video a giant thumbs up. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do that now. Subscribe, and thank you for joining me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.